One of the big issues when you're injured in a car crash in Georgia is finding insurance and making sure you're aware of all sources of insurance. And so one thing an accident victim can run into is they find that the at-fault driver that injured them does not have any insurance. And so if that's the case, you need to see if you have uninsured motorist insurance, and you need to make sure you've put your own insurance carrier on notice of a bodily injury claim early in the case, not giving a recorded statement, but simply putting the insurer on notice. And then you also have to make sure that there's not another liability policy that may be out there that will cover the at-fault driver. Maybe the at-fault driver was employed and there's a commercial general liability policy that his employer has, then that will cover you if he's an employee driving a company vehicle in the course of employment when they injure you. Also, there may be another vehicle, another insurance policy that a family member may have that may provide liability insurance. So finding insurance is a big issue in auto insurance cases, especially when you have serious injuries. A lot of people drive around with minimum liability insurance limits, which in the state of Georgia is $25,000 per person. And it's not always easy pre-litigation. That means before you actually file a lawsuit, when a lot of law offices will try to settle a case, it's not always easy to determine if there is, if you have found, I should say, all of the insurance coverage that's out there. When in question, a lot of times you need to file a lawsuit, and so that you have the ability of subpoenas and what they call civil discovery to start discovering this information.